Let's make this bandana or asymmetric top, as some of you might call it, together. Hi guys, welcome back. So the first thing I'm gonna need to do is to fold my fabric into two, and the length is 22 inches, just as you can see, and the width is also 22 inches when I open it up. I hope you understand me. So on all the four sides it is 22 inches. So how I got 22 inches is I divided my round bust measurement by 2, then I went ahead to add extra 5 inches to it. That's how I got 22 inches. So go ahead and divide your round bust measurement and go ahead and add 5 inches to whatever you get. So divide your bust measurement by 2 and add 5 inches to it. That is how I got 22 inches. So I've gone ahead to measure around the four sides of my fabric, and it is 22 inches. Now, having done that, the next thing I'll go ahead and do is to go ahead and fold all the sides. You can see I folded it by half an inch, and I folded it again by another half an inch. I'll go ahead and stitch all around it. So let me go over and stitch it and show you what it looks like. So this is it, guys. I'm done stitching. You can see how it looks like. I told you, go ahead and fold it all around. Now that we are done doing that, the next thing I'll go ahead and do is to come to this part here that is towards the right. Then I'll go ahead and fold it twice, just like this. I hope you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead to pin it down so that it won't move. I hope you understand me. So I've gone ahead to bring my pin and I've gone ahead to pin it. So I folded it with about 1 inch. You can go ahead and fold yours with about 1 inch. So I aimed over to the left part and I also did exactly the same thing. I also folded with about 1 inch. I hope you understand. So I also went ahead to pin here also. I hope you see. Now the next thing I'll come is to come to this down part here towards the right, and I'm going to also go ahead and fold it twice again like this. Also made here 1 inch. So I'll go ahead and stitch that point here on the sewing machine. I'll also stitch this other point and this other point. Let me go over and do that. So this is it, guys. I'm done stitching. See what I mean here? All those parts I stitched, and this is what it looks like. Now, guys, next thing I'm going to do is to this part here, that is this part towards the right on the upper part, is going to be serving as our front now. So I'm gonna have to fold these other two parts here that are going to be serving as our side. I hope you understand. Please follow carefully. And this other part is giving that V shape effect. Now the next thing I'll go ahead and do is to cut out our rope. So I'm gonna have to cut out a piece of fabric. The width is 2 inches and the length is about 69 inches. That is almost 70 inches. I hope you understand. So this is 52 because my tape wasn't up to 60. It's got cut, so I'm just, that is 52 plus 17. It gave me 69. I hope you understand. So go ahead and do the same thing for you. So I'll go over and just fold this into two, this piece of fabric into two, and sew a straight line from the top to the down. And this is it, guys. I'm done stitching it. Now I'm going to be turning this over to the front. Just watch carefully. So this is it. I hope you're paying attention carefully. So guys, if you have watched this video to this point, do well to like this video, and if you know someone this video will be helpful to, do well to share this video to them, and don't forget to subscribe so you'll be able to receive more amazing tutorials like this. If you have done all this, thank you, guys. Thank you so much. And guys, I'm done turning this rope over to the front using our safety pin. Now I'm gonna have to put it also in our safety pin because I'll be using it to pass into this casing. So I started with this part that I told you is serving as our front. I hope you see it's going to be at our neck side, that part there. And I'm going to also go ahead and make sure the ropes are equal. That is what I was just doing. I'm gonna have to remove our safety pin. Now this part that is at the right here, I'm going to be crossing it over to the left. So I'll put it over in our safety pin right here. And I'm going to be passing it to the left part. I hope you see what I'm doing. Now, after doing that, you can see it's towards the left. So I want it to have a crossing. That is why I did it like that. Now, also come the one towards the left, and I'm going to be putting it to the right casing. I hope you understand me, guys. So please pay attention carefully. So this is it here. And next thing I'll go ahead and do is just remove my safety pin, and I'll just go ahead to tie up this so you can just see. So guys, our bandana top is ready, just as you can see. I hope you can see. So this is all in the making of this bandana or asymmetric. top, as you might call it. You can also call it an handkerchief top. That is all in the making of this. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to receive more amazing tutorials like this. Don't forget to turn on your notification so you'll be notified whenever I upload new tutorial. So that is all for today's tutorial. Bye, and see you in my next tutorial.